Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching CID News Network, Islamabad. This is Salwa Shams with today's headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan will launch the Kamyab Pakistan program today to disburse loan worth around rupees 1400 billion among 3.7 million families across the country. At least 35 world leaders are among those who own offshore companies, according to Pandora Papers. More than 700 Pakistani politicians, businessmen, retired generals, bankers, and owners of media houses own offshore companies. Several well-known figures in government of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf also own offshore companies. Some of them are Federal Finance Minister Shaukat Tareen, Senator Faisal Wavda, Punjab Minister Aleem Khan, Federal Minister Chaudhry Muna Silahi, Major General retired Nusrat Naeem, son of Lieutenant General retired Muzaffar Afzal, Ali Dar, son for former Finance Minister Ishaq Dar, Sharjeel Inam Memon, Makhdoom Khusro Bakhtiyar, Minister for Industries and Production, Exec and Bold TV owner Shoaib Malik, two sons of Air Chief Marshal Abbas Khattak, sister of Lieutenant General retired Ali Khuli Khan Khattak, son of Waqar Masood, former Special Assistant to Prime Minister. Prime Minister Imran Khan said his government would investigate all Pakistanis named in the Pandora Papers and take action if any wrongdoing is established. Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid Ahmed has appreciated the performance of Pakistan Navy, expressing full confidence in its operational capabilities. At least 2 people were killed in an explosion outside a mosque in the Afghan capital. The blast took place near the entrance to Eidgah Mosque in Kabul. Taliban spokesman Zabihullah Mujahid said a number of civilians were killed in the incident. Good news for Pakistanis travelling to the United Kingdom, as they can carry COVID-19 certificate issued by the National Database and Registration Authority as a proof of vaccination. Days after the fake COVID vaccine entry of former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif in Lahore, another bogus entry has been made, and this time in a school in Narowal. At least 27 people lost their lives due to the novel coronavirus infection, while 1490 fresh infections have been reported in the last 24 hours. Pakistani star cricketer Mohammad Hafiz has recovered from the dengue fever and will resume training today. Hafiz was part of Central Punjab squad for the ongoing National T20 Cup. That's all from today's headlines. Keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.